Good morning, allies from the yokai realm. Tonight we're going to draw NOKO. One of the rarest and luckiest yokai on campus. This yokai has the body of a... NOKO are really rare and has the body of a giant snake and has been known for its amazing jumping ability. Also, they are really lucky and they are really rare and extremely hard to find. And of course, they are a sign of hope. They even helped Super Hero revert his power of poorness into a force for good. In the Yokai Watch video games, NOKO are really hard to catch. So, they can be found at this alley. And you need to select the right path and catch them as soon as possible. Feed it its favorite treats, and then, bam, you become its friend. In Yokai Watch 2, after you get it from the Crankakai, you see that in the game, NOKO has a bow tie. They never really have it in the TV series. They don't really have it in the TV series, but this guy has a lucky clover on his top of his skull. There are lots of information on NOKO. That they're rare, friendly, and super lucky.
According to Wikipedia, NOKO, or No Compromise, is an alternative rock band from Silver Spring, Maryland. NOKO was rated as one of DC's hottest 5 bands by Metromix and WUSA 9 in 2010. So Hot from Pull the Plug peaked at the #1 spot on the Broad Jam Hard Rock charts in March and April 2007.
This is NOKO's medal. And he's really lucky to be in Series 1. He sure is one lucky and rare guy.
Here's something I found on the web. According to ghack.com, it creates thinking ability and abilities to solve problems for Yokai Watch fans.
Alright. There we are. This is what it looks like. NOKO can multiply in many different ways. And, well, that's how you draw NOKO. Let me know what yokai you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. Farewell and good night.